Hello, welcome once again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Canva. So we are about to create your course right now. So after making all of the research that you need to make in order to get the information you need to create your course, or after compiling the write-up that you need to compile in your notebook, your phone, or your laptop, then the next thing is to actually create your PowerPoint. All right, by the way, as you can see on my screen right here, Sell Your Knowledge. This is an ebook by Edmund True. I'm going to attach this ebook to the bonus section of this course. All right, so you can download the ebook and read it. It's a very nice one. All right, so let's quickly get to it. So how do you create a PowerPoint presentation for your course using Canva? The first thing you need to do is go to your browser. I'm using Chrome right here. So go to canva.com, as you can see right here, canva.com. Then click enter. Now the first thing you need to do on Canva is to sign up. You need to create an account, okay? And it's free. It's free. You just need your email address and then a unique password. All right, there's a free version. However, there are some features on Canva that you may not be able to use since you are using the free version. All right, and of course the free version is quite okay. It's quite okay. So how do you create your PowerPoint presentation? So click on this plus icon here, as you can see at the middle here, this plus icon. So click on that icon, then it will take you to another interface. Now click on presentation because you are going to be using a PowerPoint presentation. So click on presentation here, presentation. There are other things you can do with Canva. All right, as you can see right there, YouTube thumbnail, flyer, Instagram post, and all of that. But we are using this to create a presentation. So click on presentation. Now on the list of presentations, I mean the templates that you have there are some that are free and there are others that are not free. You need to subscribe to the pro version of Canva in order for you to be able to use those templates. So just allow your screen to load. Allow everything to load on your screen. So it's going to display a couple of templates. As you can see, this was the template that I used to create this course. So I want to repeat this template. So there are many templates you can use. So you see right here, just scroll down. Now, as you can see on this one, it's having pro. The ones that have pro, you cannot use it if you are using a free account. But there are many others that do not have pro that are free and they are still very nice. So choose anyone. So I'm just going to choose this one. It's a template and the template is such that you can create, you can use it to recreate your own course. All right, you can recreate that template to infuse your own information. So click on apply all 18 pages. If there are pages that you don't like, you can delete them. So in order to make this video short, because there are others you need to cover, I'm not going to cover everything to the end. I will just show you the basics and from there you can take it to the end. All right, so after clicking on apply all 18 pages or the number of pages that are available on that particular slide, the next thing you have to do is just wait for everything to load, because there are various elements on the screen. So you can click away, click somewhere, maybe an empty space, click an empty space so that your screen can settle down. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to start selecting the elements. So this is the front page. So I'm going to start infusing the information for my course. So let's assume you are creating your course and let's say the course you are creating is how to start a barbing salon. Let's use that as an example, how to start a barbing salon. So just click on this right top here and then you can start editing it. So if you look at the bottom left of your screen, you see edit, this right here. So click on edit and then you can put in your own write-up. All right, you can just write straight or you can wipe it depending on what you want. So let's write here now, how to start a barbing salon business. All right. So as you can see right here, the write-up is quite scattered. So what do? You need to readjust the size. So to do that, there are two different ways you can do that. You can use the edges to readjust. Okay. For instance, if I want to reduce the size, I can hold it. You can just hold it by any of the four corners, maybe bottom here, and just squeeze it in. It will reduce. If you want to increase it, just stretch it out. You see that now? Exactly. So I think this is okay. Now, since they are not aligned, if you want them to align, all you need to do is the two edges by the left and the right, just stretch them out. Everything will align. Can you see this now? Exactly. So right here, the write-up is not properly positioned, and there's another write-up inside of this. So what do we do? Click on the write-up and just move it upward. You can hold it and just move it around. Okay, so our cover page is ready for the presentation. Whatever you don't need, you can remove it. So I'm going to click on this now and click on delete. Okay, so this waste bin icon, delete, it will delete immediately. If you mistakenly delete something and you want to bring it back, simply click on this return arrow right here. You see this return arrow, just click on it and then it will return back. So what we just deleted has returned. Okay, so let's assume that you already deleted this and you want to just put another write-up. You can click on text here, click on text. Okay, there are many videos you can watch on YouTube on how to use Canva. All right, so that we don't waste so much time here. But so let's quickly click on this text. I want to include my name. So there are different texts that you can use from here. So let's click on this. You see different texts that you can use. There are so many. All right, so just explore and make sure you create something nice. So I'll click on add heading. Add heading. All right, so it will show add heading. So what do I need to do? Let me just include my name, Lucky Johnson. Okay, so as you can see, the write-up was placed on top the topic. So what do? You see this plus icon at the bottom here. You can just hold it and drag it down to move it around. Okay, or you can hold the write-up and move it too, but it's easier with this. So if it's looking big, what do? Just hold this top left here and shrink it down a bit. So I'm going to click away. My cover page is ready. How to start a, wow, this was a mistake, a bathing salon. That was auto suggest making that mistake. So let me correct this right here. How to start a barbing. It should be barbing. Yes. So I'll click away. How to start a barbing salon business. I already have my front page. All right. I already have my front page. So look at this right here. Stop dreaming and start doing. If you don't like this, you know what you do? Just click on delete. Delete here. It will delete immediately. So any of the pages you don't like. So I'm going to delete this right now. So it has gone to the next page. Okay. So that's how it works. So you can move this to the left or you move it to the right, whichever way. You can always move it around. Okay. So just be creative. You already have everything right here. Just be creative. So let me assume that this is module 1. So click on what you have, project introduction. So let me say module 1. Module 1. So let's say my module 1 is my introduction. So I can write introduction. All right. So you can shrink this to make it a little small, move it upward. Anyhow, just feel free. So you can click on the next write-up and just start writing something. So let's assume my module 1, I'm talking about how to start a barbing salon. So I can write something like, did you know that a barbing salon business can make you a millionaire All right, now as you can see, everything here is centralized. So if you want to make everything align, so let me click away now so you see what I'm talking about. You see, everything is centralized here. But if you want to make it align to the left, just click on the right up. Okay, click on the right up and then just move down here, scroll down here. You can change the font here to different writing styles if you wish. This is font, change it to different writing style. This is size. Okay, if you want to increase it, like I said, instead of shrinking it with this point at the top left there, you can also come here and click on font size and increase. As you can see, it's increasing already. You see this now, is increasing already, but it is centralized. So to return back, just click on this star icon here. So click on it, it will take you back. So let's move down now. You can change colors. This is color, any color you want, you can put it there. But of course, this video is not to teach you everything about using Canva. All right, so you can click on this color now, it will change. Can you see blue? So everything can change. So return back to black. So cancel this now. What I'm trying to show you now is how to change the format. So you see, this is to make it align. This is to make it align. So click on this icon here, everything will align to the left. It is currently on this icon, which is middle. So click on this icon here, see everything has aligned to the left. So go back, click on that star icon, then simply move your right up so that it will properly align. All right, then you can stretch it out like this. You see, stretch it out. Good. So this is it. You can do all of your write-ups. Now if all of these all of these elements here are distracting you, so what do? Just click on them and delete them. Anyone you click on, you can delete. Click on delete. Anyone you click on, you can delete. Let's delete this one now. Can you see it? Whatever you click on, let's click on this yellow right here, you can delete it. Okay, click on this one, you can delete it. So just explore. All right, so once you are done with this module first part, you can scroll now and go to the next part. All right, so this is for those who do not have a laptop, because it will take you quite some time before you do everything. There are pages you need to delete, there are elements you need to delete and all of that. So once you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is preview. You can preview. All right, and there are different ways to preview. You can just scroll through. This is first page, which is cover page. You can look at it, click on next page, that's preview, it's moving. Then another way to preview is you can play it. Click on this play icon up here to play the video. So just click on it and then it will display at once. All right, so this is it right here. So the next thing you need to do is, you see this arrow icon facing right, so just come down here and click on it. Click on it to move to the next slide. Click again, move to the next slide. You see that now? So you're already previewing your work. It is so simple. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to download this PowerPoint presentation. All right, to return, click on this icon at the bottom right, these two arrows facing each other at the bottom right here, at the bottom right here. So click on that. So click on it to take you back to the main workspace. So the next thing you are going to do is to download your presentation. So let's download so that you can have it in your phone, and then you are now ready to record your course into a video. So click on this arrow facing up here, this arrow here. Can you see that? That arrow facing up is the download icon. Click on it. All right, so now you're going to click on download. Click on download. Now do not download this on PDF standard, even though it is suggested. So click on this arrow facing down here so that you can select Microsoft PowerPoint document. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint document, PPTX. Select that. It says download all 17 pages, so you are downloading everything. So just click on download directly. So it's preparing your design before you go ahead to download. So once it prepares, straight it starts downloading. All right, so that is it. How to start a, initially there was a mistake on the spelling, bathing salon. So your file is ready, all the same. So let's open it and see. You can open it with your WPS. That's another thing. So let's just open it as we wrap up. Then we move on to record the PowerPoint presentation. So this is it. This is it. Allow it to load. It's quite large, so you can scroll down to see the other pages. I didn't work on the other pages, so that's why you're seeing it. I only worked on page 1 and page 2. So you can work on everything, and that's module 1. You work on the next one for module 2. You work on the next one for module 3 until you get to the conclusion, and then you are good to go. So when you click on play, it's going to display it, on a landscape display session, so you can view it properly. Click on play. All right, so this is landscape already. So you can just click by the side, maybe right or left to move. It will move to the next page. Click on right to the next page, like that. So to return, just click on your return arrow on your phone. Return arrow, it will return back to normal. All right, so this is it, and that's all it takes for you to create your PowerPoint presentation using Canva. So explore, use any kind of format. I'll see you in the next video where we shall be recording this particular PowerPoint presentation into a video course.